Awurade de hye mechia nyamema nyina. Gidi se nyankopɔn da romanti. Nyame egusu ehira ne ma. Sebi ya tamfo mum na ebre. Edin no still remain Oheneba. And the channel is still Fresh Prince TV. So we go YouTube channel on so Mr. Say Fresh Prince TV GH. You want some motivational messages, advice, Nyankopon Bible mansem, and I feel so and same be a ebano, yet the anatom in a professional way. Ye near tem ewo na obenya ensem one kasa ebeboa a kunafo de ewo a wisiafo de ewo a sikafo de ewo a hiafo de ewo the patenten de ewo the pakese de ne ho fe de ewo sebi obi a yese ne ho ye fe so de the pebi wo wiase bia ewo ne message ewo ho a wotia ebekanya nde se wotia ya na wa share na enkofo nso enye bi ede ahwe ede abo ombra nene mebeka asembi ewiase a yewo no yewo Nyankopon tumi ewo ho yewo bonsam tumi ewo ho yewo bibi se kama ewo ho natural laws eno eyen hyehye ya ewo ho a akoye se nia wo beye no eho asotwe ana eho nhira ewo ho eye automatic as a would drive automatic car or ye dan a once a day ebeka. Until most of the time ya na can be say whatever goes wrong it comes wrong. So as I say and as something for can be say so what to blow about a dance here a sign back one kasa also it ya dim bia ye ni wiase bia ya na eho returns no more than the ye no sometimes I did be 3 years and I could be more. Ya na tie the shit abeyfo so abeyfo and me pam sure there be. Ye maybe ye sunsun so e san say meti hoi se me dua me kwa there's no way say me kwa akotwa bo frɛ. Sanso and as me dua aboroba sebi me nko enkotwa kwadu. Se me dua watermelon me expect say eno an me dey metwa yenhye ne nso enti ade bia wo ye no esunsun sanso de wasa be dey ebeka na wasa beka no bebre mo ho ye hwe emire bi ye papa David obi a wo yire no ewo mpanafo bebre wo mu anso no ema wona ko a ye frɛ Uria akon asi a wo gina akono David pie say ohene pon okonante kakra ena na ne kotwa Uria yere ho se wo dware na David kon do no na opɛ kwan bia so ene obayi edai afi emu no na ye ho se nyinsen a edai epiem afi adwombone ba David trim begin no ye na dwe se obema na ko anaba na one ne yere abeda sebe ya ebetimi de nyinsen no ahye no nanso na ko Uria ka kire ne se papa empare ne se memman Israel ejina akono na beba bejimani ana me ne me yere ebeda ti David ye bi obetumi bia nanso eye Uria be me ya na pon eda ne man Israel so no wone ne yere no ana ti de be ye ne se David be pekwan a be ma no ebeko ato se be ya obewu na sa asem ne to akata on se adwaman honhom bewura ne mu de de na koduru ewudie ebem so David making sure say eye Uria ebewu ti Uria wi ema David fa oba no de ne ye ne yere na ye nhyɛ ne nso Nyankopɔn ka kyerɛ ne sɛ ade a waye na yeden a ne so aketua obede ne nsabeka David bone na waye no wia ne ho ne koye oba te hwehwe de to no David na ba soriti a ne papa ema physically eni nyina ehu ise ne ba no efa David ye empena form akoma edu enipa ewia ketie eni wo dai ono ane ba no ti ye hwe okofa obi de ba akon ko wie de no kra de wo ye no kokoam but ye hwe de to no ono ne de no epie ma nipa nyina ye dai ehu bi bo wonsem eye kama e de yes whatever goes wrong comes wrong sometimes ya na yetimi ko senko fu bi achi so onya ne ma bi ntia nkofu bi ye hwe ade sometimes yetimi sorry edi nkofo bi atem yetimi ye niam bi tia nkofo na be hu sese ebi eba yeso a na yesu e pasa ahwe na wankasa yedin na fa esanse de wutu aye no eno na wutwa no ade a wo ye ne sunsun sanso no etitie niye se wo ye papa na wo pe enkora ye no mo de da basabasa wo fefe enkora wo so wo baba wo ye den ebi besim ye de bi be ye wo baba se bi wo ye abrante ana wo ye abofra na wo ko school na wo bu awofo agisika se bi na wo da awofo agisika bi a eni se wo ji amesrew wo so wo ma ade bi be ye den e be ye wo e biblical a natural law. You can't change it. Law of karma is there and it's gonna work. We are done a better. It must have been well so I can saw money out of that bonnet. Tieni pa, we see so now pema ye. Omana woman so a binum bed a bit pema. We are done a baby, a bassa papa, no one kind and our yellow. Tie Sebi, Michel Kofubiachi, Omo Yenya may be Tian Kofubi. Sebi, me sorry me Yenya may be Tian Mianumbi. Ye expected Sanya man be better. One me say, one much more year near maybe Tian Kofubina, and maybe bedroom so be sorry at Tiame. A bassa and semi yedi, Samanya Dian, a suchian, I know a J pan a bebameso. Reverend Isaac Ousu Bempa, Yentian Yepa. There was a timer. He was trying to make all Ghanaians to know, say, were you perfect? One of the were you pa? Mekaisa na two, a year Manasi, Ekotanaso Buba, software din or Pambo Moan, a Buruka, Ben York, and whoever. Now, in one of his statements, or say, Reverend Dr. Isaac Ousu Bempa, were you pa? I heard that. One of the way, and Canadian Japan can be said, so on what heavy. That means that what was going on, the man of God was there, and he was very happy because Nimianum and a super woman. Papa, I'm an emofrano on one cassa, Edim Kofume Bratem, my garden. And a lot of people are meant to make a reverend or before good anymore say, Eba out of the car say, what the bosom be, and a year Juma, the bosom will cry a friend or boafo, whatever, Kikansam, or Pambo Beneza, Papaya Dinatem, a Kansama Fanahon, a Bruka, were Dinatem. Why? I could see where Papa out every Dinatem. There was a time I would read the list of a software where Papa no when your Papa Eba out. Na enkomkombre nyina chire ni nyina no ex-president of the state Papa ba out use the word, excuse my language, Jimmy Bonidi so Jimmy sabi emoja won nsa ho ayantro sabi Papa president a watwam John Dramani Mahama sabi wonimu nyansa efundaka nine so no nka minim se wiase enipa ba akutimi so efundaka mako nine. It's a lie. There was a time I said Papa chebini sebie, excuse my language, na nana adodan ko akufo de wo che apples. It's a lie. Sansem we nyina wo ka gunkofo so sebi wona wo ma ene wo na opese oye wo hu se wo de oye na wo hu se wo de oye na wo chesika. Enti on say ebinum amie o manu ankasa Yakupon na ekasa ma wo mo kama na ekoma wo mo ene edro so keep quiet enkasa kai say emire bi uye bi etia nkofo bi enti wo ye den a say you can't run away from it. Enti adie bia beye no ebeye yie no curse ultimate curse mu biara aye kama na eye na dwuma. Let them talk about you. Say yam tro, say yam kure papa, ye din na fa. Na woni meka se mi a kire wo. Swe kura de isa. O manu asabi omo sori a. Omo edi atema wo no. It's about time. A time will come. Sam koda no bom na ebe sori etia wo na wan hwe yi a. Eti woni bibi de sese wo ye ne say kokoto dwa ni ne bom pa ye ka kire Nyankopon so mfa mo ne nchew. Kama omfa mo ne nchew. Wo ye de no de obe. So prepare to meet all these. The son said, "Pensio bia Nyankopon du koduru ye no wan kasa wa bra bobi woni ema bia wo ye no ugu hu ani mu ase wo man Ghana mu wo kasa pentokwa dodo." There is no single year yet to say wo kon papa wa kon ache emire bi mekai ache kakra I can men kai afukro oba out be cases enkofu bi aka wasem omuma bewu ho please say on person bi be ka wasem de ene wo so ka wa no paado ekoma obi biara say wan ka wa no ampaado de a wo ye de obi be ka wasem hwe abayo a wasiso a woni enkofu kunu de da nyame ye wodom ana adom bi to so na wonya kunu kai say obi so no kunu be da eye titi se wo obi adwuma na wo bokoro no a kai se wo bi adwuma a wo so ye be bokoro no eye titi yen taking no eye ade a we there you can't run away from it. Reverend Dr. Isaac Owusu-Bempah tie na tie nie se utu ana mo bia ya kan konfu bi omo wa brabom o mu nti menye Kristo nti menye we sabi wo se we the nation's prophet, you are there for the nation. O man panini eye sabi wadamfo wona wo ka me je minim good enti utu ana mo bia ya adwene se o man panini pempen so wakodu ekanya papa yi pa because yempa yenye obia no si ye bibia ye kan konfu bi omo ya brabom se eni pa so na si anase edin bi da wo so bi nti eni se me ye o wa kwan se obeye bibia na so nyeni nyina na ye fatal eduaba wo bebo ye curse no papa it is not gonna work. So person Ghana for who say ebeye adwuma semre ebesi ekwan ya befa so ebesi because ewu da ho ma wo bia ka kwanhia betimi asi at any time. It is a say mu ba ko na mo na okonya ka kwanhia hwe no afa ho say eye wo curse na no. If you want Ghanaians and the whole world to believe, say, what case come out, never shemere, say December, October, January, and I say, and I say, and I sound for them because our problem, ebesi, say, Sia, Yabejuadi, say, yes, I say, Chinampo, a movie be 2 or yan, Ghana phobinum. Now, and sorry, man, I'm dim who ya. Sapa pay ever, yes, I did, and I want to home. No more sign, no more budget, so please. Mamu mwama bone nkoso mu yese egu papa nani mu ase onyini mu muano mu amotwa ne mu ahia no mu muano. You are not helping this man of God. Say papa no onu akasa ama enkodan ketwa de nani mu twetwe fom eka hu mama I say committee me aba out who me hwan say papa Owusu-Bempah ya de me meka bi eka hwan ne manase so bebo ne din atu ase nenso. What goes wrong comes from definitely. So what to go ban we are den ebeba also adie bia ya no esunsun so we cannot escape. We can't run away from it. Karma is there. The natural laws are working 24/7. This year Ghana natural laws so be year adwuma to the extent say adie bia wo be ya wo so di hinta no adie bia wo ye no eso akatua instantly wo sa ebeka etie ye bibia yen hye nenso. Reverend Dr. Isaac Owusu-Bempah Sorum Penifo, Council of Elders in the Church, it's about time say Mumwa Papa or Tuana Mobia, Monen Kasa. And I may share video be not all day one say Wokumunko Phobi, Wakensin Kophobia Momo, Christoni, prophet of God, is it good or the Ben Wahosa? Say Nkophobi and Boninti. If I want to no, Sawana go to Elisha money whatever. Please, they didn't do what you are doing. And maybe be as I say about out now, the church and some catching a man, they are not helping you and yourself. Assembly or what you are no bunya eguasum. You see, the best way sometimes to answer a fool is to be silent. Sometimes, if you want to answer a fool, somebody you think to be a fool, be silent. That is it. Because more now we try to say which and say now all your mistakes. Eti papa nia aba som esan se mre bi atwa mu no wo ye bi ti ankofo bi eti esunsun sanso no wo ye den eno ana wo kitem no onyankopon enka Ghana fo nyina ho. Reverend Dr. Isaac Owusu-Bempah mental Ghana fo ye ka wonsem ental na emom de ye ka ne se asem na etutu sesia no emfa nhyɛ obi a eye wa no akofa wa de aba esan se there was a time wo ye wo say wo ye kronkron wo hye kire nkra ne se ye di opam watama na wusi wona obo nsem ene no kre se nya no kra enka platform so no mbetena di atem no ka wo be ba out abeka se enema se ni enema se na ya na nkra ne ye mesere mo Ghana for mo fa ma mo nya bi wo be tia wo but it to aso ekoso we kire se wo na wa ma akwanya no hwe se wo nua bi wo se na body se ehia na wasensuo asi o de eho ena ye fa nhye ye ntirim se Bible no se sie nua bi hwe ase amema ye nenye emo ne nye esan nua bi ahwe ase nti esan say nia opese etu bi no wo ye den a in 10 folds ebeba oso yemfa ntu ye hofo enye wo no nko nti ade bi a ye no esunsun sanso no ye dwane a enye yie so wakum nipa da ekwan afa so kum nipa no wo de ebeye tantantan sachira wadwen esan say Yesu Kristo eba sachira wadwen esan say law of karma ewo ho natural law ewo ho say ade a wo be ye bia no esunsun sanso wo nsabeka edi no still remain Oheneba and a channel a Fresh Prince TV. Which share man actually. Mon share video you mammy me videos on yeah mon share mammy what here say videos so say what share a inshra. What share a inshra we have them automatically ubenya inshra also. And could share some videos be yeah curse so for and wakwa sorry them Sunday sorry manim say yeah kwa tie nyame asem na so for afa oil. There's no power in the oil. Power no ewo asema wo kanimu say tumi wo mu a you can be in your room and talk it oil no tumi bia nim say tumi be mu a nipa no wonu asem the tumi ewo what timi afa oil abegina ho over an hour in the name of make sense some of you no mu dile omunya me so mate say it won't fair say when you go for be say cry na dile am crowd is it that Christian Patricia Fen was sachra. Woman no queen, Kokus skirt money, whoever will go with you. Oh, no, no, so Papa, baby, I will do on Yamisumi. Well, just who waste your time on these people. Instead of some Kenya, Yasa, no one now, was sorry. A piano, a binomo than Pochemu, Ombe Sami. A bimomo chill woman, Ombetia was a Kaja, Omodia bread a trianamon. Look at what you were doing on Sunday. It's a disgrace to Christianity. Mu go Christo mine no Christo som no mu go na demu ase mama yen sachira Fresh Prince TV GH besro ko YouTube ho na ko subscribe ye won sem bebre ye de ye ba ye ni atem in a professional way se wutie nso a ebeboa wa woni Reverend Isaac Owusu bempa na mesrem mama video yi enko to no mesrem ne ma no mo he na ma me di atem because me mo di atem kra I will never respond to you mo di you guys are fan of it but mama money na ho e say sabi eduamono mpo any edi say ye no na mo dua wuye mo papa no ne nkofo bebre anante a ekire ya no mo ntem no ebeye ensem bebre saa na Reverend Dr. Isaac Owusu bempa mo ni na ho because o ma no wan hwe yi atie ni ye o mo be sori atia wa ma o ministry anhwe a ebe collapse nyame no boafo honhoma wo de adwuma I have no moral right to condemn but oni ema bi a wo ye no sachira hwehwe wa brabom ne ja ne ma bi wo nyini you are plus 50 tine me bi o ha enfata so be ma ye wona ye ba no nyema wo ma no ye no wachi wo mu atia mu mo ma ye fa sumdue ntena wo man Ghana esan se Ghana e ya sumdue e man me share obi a me da obi ase nyame nka obi a share ma me e Fresh Prince TV GH Mr. Brew Kitos me chiao nyame nshira pa na comment a ya wo obi a wo comment e ma me chia no nyame nka obi a ho mon share me viewers I love you all. God bless you. Stay blessed. The name still remains Oheneba, and the channel is Fresh Prince TV GH. I'm a proud Ghanaian and a proud Ashanti. Stay blessed. Bye.